Go to the Elasticsearch download page and download the file from Mac operating system. Once the download is complete, find the file on your computer and extract the zip file. The bin folder has all the scripts needed to start the server and other tools. The config folder contains the server settings, especially the Elasticsearch.yaml file. Most settings are already configured for you. The logs folder stores log files, which include information about the server's activities and errors. Modules folder contains modules. This folder is for plugins, which are extra features you can add to Elasticsearch, like new text analyzers. By default, Elasticsearch comes with security enabled. For simplicity, and so security doesn't get in our way, we disable this feature by editing Elasticsearch.yaml file present in config folder to add the following property at the end of the file. After extracting the files, open a terminal. Use the cd command to go to the Elasticsearch bin folder. Start the server by running Elasticsearch shell script. Open your web browser and go to localhost:9200. If everything is working, you'll see a response from the server in JSON format. Pay attention to two things in the response. Name. This is the name of your Elasticsearch instance, usually set to your computer's name by default. Cluster_name. This shows the name of the cluster your instance has joined. By default, it's named Elasticsearch. If you face any issues to start Elasticsearch server, please try the workaround, which I will show in the video. Open your terminal. Type echo $Java_home and press enter. If nothing shows up, it means Java Home is not set up. Open your terminal and type vim/.bash_profile to edit your profile. Add the line export Java_home as shown here. Save and close the file. Go to the bin folder inside your Elasticsearch directory. Open the Elasticsearch env file. Add the line es_java_home as shown here. Save and close the file. Restart your Elasticsearch server. It should start without any issues now. In case if you face any issues, please share the issue in comments. I can check the comments and help to resolve your issues.